Welcome to our channel. If you've just purchased a new iPad, follow these step-by-step instructions to set it up and get started with your device. Step 1. Press and hold the power button on the top or side of your iPad until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Step 2. When you see Hello in multiple languages, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to begin the setup process. Step 3. Select your language and country or region from the lists provided. Step 4. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks and enter the password when prompted. You can also set up without Wi-Fi by tapping Set up without Wi-Fi. Step 5. Follow the prompts to enable or disable location services based on your privacy preferences. Step 6. Set up Face ID or Touch ID by following the on-screen instructions. You can also skip this step and set it up later. Step 7. Create a passcode for your iPad. This will be required to unlock your device and make purchases. Step 8. Choose how to set up your iPad. Restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer data from another device, or set up as new iPad. Step 9. Sign in with your Apple ID or create a new one if you don't have an Apple ID yet. Step 10. Agree to the terms and conditions, set up Apple Pay if desired, and choose your display preferences like True Tone and text size. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.